Hi, welcome to Slow English with Brian. I'm Brian. In this video, we will check your vocabulary level. If you can answer most of these questions correctly, your vocabulary is probably at least at the A1 level. The first question is, what is the opposite of cold? Hot, warm, cool, or freezing? The correct answer is hot. If you said warm, that's almost correct, but there's a problem. If this is neutral, that means not hot, not cold. We find cold below cool. This is cool, cold is down here. If we go back to neutral, this is warm and this is hot. So to get to hot, we need to go two up. To get to cold, we need to go two down. So hot and cold are opposite. 2. What animal has a long trunk? An elephant, a monkey, a lion, or a rabbit? The correct answer is an elephant, because a trunk is like a very, very long nose. Some monkeys, like this one, have a nose that is a little bit longer than normal, but elephants have a much longer trunk. That monkey's nose is not a trunk. It's just a long nose. Question 3. What object do you use to cut paper? A pencil, scissors, an eraser, or a ruler? The correct answer is scissors. We cut paper with scissors. Question 4. What is the color of the sky on a sunny day? Green, yellow, red, or blue? The correct answer is blue. Question 5. What do you call the person who helps sick people? A singer, a nurse, a farmer, or a painter? The correct answer is nurse. A nurse is like a doctor. They work with doctors, often in hospitals. 6. What is the opposite of happy? Sad, excited, lucky, or funny? The correct answer is sad. Question 7. What do you call the place where you borrow books? A bank, a library, a supermarket, or a post office? The correct answer is a library. If you said a post office, I understand, because sometimes people mail books in a post office, but we don't borrow them there. Borrow means you take something and then give it back later. Question 8. What is the name of the object that you use to write? A spoon, a chair, a pencil, or a phone? The correct answer is a pencil. We can write messages on our phone, but we can't use our phone to write messages in any other place. So the correct answer is a pencil. Question 9. Which of these animals can fly? A dog, a horse, a bird, or a turtle? The correct answer is a bird. Finally, question 10. What is the opposite of cheap? Expensive, short, cold, or light? The correct answer is expensive. Cheap means it doesn't cost much money, and expensive means it costs a lot of money. So they are opposite. If you answered at least 7 of these questions correctly, your vocabulary is probably at least at the A1 level. In the next video, we will check whether you can pass the A2 level vocabulary test. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye.